Chinenye, it's obvious you and Gift and Mercy are not in good terms.
I am not quarreling with anybody, please.
You are not quarreling with anybody. Anyway, they have told me what the problem is. And that is why I have called you, so we'll all talk about it.
And what could that be?
The prince.
What about him?
They said the prince has been trying to sleep with them. Then they called you so the three of you can put heads together and make sure the prince does not sleep with any of you. Well, you've been avoiding them, especially when you went out with the prince and came back.
Are you done?
Yes, I'm done, Chine.
Listen, Juliana. If not for the respect I have for you and how close we are, I would have gone by now. I went out with the prince to help and serve his friend from Canada for his friend's birthday. And now I've become the issue at hand. Please, listen, from now, all I have to say is that we should all mind our business.
Chine, where are you going to?
I said I'm done now.
I can see there is more to this than what we already know. And I don't want you people to start shouting in my father's compound before my parents will hear us calling the prince's name and start asking me what the problem is. So we'll have to schedule this meeting again tomorrow, somewhere else, not here. But we have to settle this issue.
Tomorrow then.
Hey! We told you. We told you. You see, I don't know what is eating her up. So what do you People are bad though.
So you're welcome, ladies. Yes, so what do I offer you? You know, before I make the phone call, I kind of wondered, why three of you kept looking at one another in some kind of manner on our way here. Why? I mean, I thought three of you were friends. When we got into this room, you kept looking at yourselves, so I don't really get it. Huh? Which brings me to my next question. Why is it that ladies are jealous of each other? Why? Because you keep coming to me to tell me something, you come and tell me something, you do come and tell me something about yourselves. I don't understand. So why are you jealous? Why? What's really going on? I thought you were friends. Huh? Come on now. Come on. Whatever happened to women supporting women? What is going on? Huh? Okay, which brings me to this next question. Have I been bad? No, seriously. Have I been bad to you? Have I been bad to you? Have I been bad to you? Even after I made love to three of you, different occasions. So have I been bad? What is this? What is going on? Wait, hold on. No. Don't tell me three of you don't know you've been hiding things from each other. No, you don't know I've made love to her. You don't know I've done it with her. You don't know we've shagged. Really? Are you three serious? Come on now. You're friends. We are all friends. Okay, so this is what's going to happen. We will all make up today. Every one of you will do the right thing, okay? We'll come in our clean selves. Selfless it is going to be. So, what do you want? Because this is what's going to happen, really. We're all going to enjoy ourselves on this bed, yes. Four of us, we're all going to make love here. It's going to be a raunchy moment, and we all will do it selflessly. So, my question is, what do you want? Who is drinking? Who is smoking? Who is taking drugs? Let's start with the drinks. Hello? Hello?
Good afternoon, my prince.
Good afternoon.
On whose home have I stepped on today?
This is the house of Mazio Nochi Nebedu. You're welcome, my prince.
My father does know the man you have mentioned, and I believe the lady standing here, Mazio Nochi's blood flows in her veins.
Yes, my prince.
Good. Wow. Juliana, how are you?
I'm fine, my prince. But how did you know my name?
Your friends speak highly of you, you know?
My friends?
Yes.
My prince, I don't understand. Which of my friends?
With so much power, just like in the basket.
Well.
One by one, they are desperate. They are desperate.
Yes. So,
We are going out to have fun. Yes, yes. So we presumed that we should keep the number total and circle together to make it 5, definitely, which includes you. So, shall we be on our way?
I'm sorry, my prince. I cannot go with you people. You see, I have to take some goods to my mother at the market, and I have to do it this afternoon.
It's not a problem. It's not a problem. I mean, let's go have fun first of all. Then you can do the chore later, huh?
My prince, I'm sorry. I will have to decline. I can't go. I really have to run this errand for my mother today, else she will not sell anything today.
My prince, did I not tell you? Now you've seen it yourself. She's not that type. I told you let us go to where we were going, but you refused. You insisted we come here. Now you've seen it yourself. Pico, let's go inside the car. My prince, we're waiting for you. My prince. Julie, we'll see you when we come back.
With so much power, just like in the basket. Onya palopotano soka pakwanoyazo. Okuba fa senses, no, one by one. They are desperate. They are desperate. They no get shame at all. All of them are go digger. They are desperate. Anya fadi chokununa. They no get shame at all. Umwaseme village. Everybody want to follow the prince here. Everybody want to marry the prince here. See, I see these girls who they disgrace their mama. Desperate chicks, they want marry the prince here. Jai, they no say the prince.
Good afternoon, my prince.
Good afternoon. Where are you headed? You know what? I'll drop you off, okay? Just hop in.
I'm sorry, my prince. I won't be going with you. I have an errand to run for my mother.
Not a problem, not a problem. Whatever it is, I'll drop you off.
No,
okay?
my prince, please don't persuade me. I won't be able to do it.
My prince, please, don't mind her. She's very stubborn. Eh?
Very, very.
My prince, I'm going.
Much power, just like in the basket. Onya palopotano soka pakwanoyazo.
Julie, I'll see you later.
Okuba fa senses, no, one by one. They are desperate. They are desperate. They no get shame at all. All of them are go digger.
So here's my question. Why is she that childish? I mean, why is she like that?
My prince, to cut the long story short, Juliana is seriously in love with Okujilidi Baba.
Wait, hold on. Wait. She refused me because of a mere Baba.
Ordinary Baba. I passed my neighbor Baba, not Lister's Baba, not Township Baba.
Why would she allow herself fall into such a pit? Why?
My prince, she's not inside a pit though. She's seriously in love with that Baba guy. And he has promised to marry her.
No, what are you saying? Is she that blind?
That is why I did not hesitate to kick the younger brother Obidike away from me when he came to me with the same proposal.
No, but what is wrong with the boys of this village? What? Their primary concern should be getting their lives better, empowering themselves, making themselves more useful to themselves and their families. Why would they want to infest their poverty mentality on the ladies of this village? For what reason?
I wonder. But my prince, we are here to have fun, not to talk about Juliana and that stupid Baba's boyfriend. Because let's have fun. Please, leave it. Let us enjoy ourselves.
Matter of fact, I agree with you. We're here to have fun. Let's just discuss other matters.
My prince, I like meat.
You like me? No, I've already ordered the meat. Of course.
Since I've given you the money, Biko, come and start going. Let me go and finish up what I'm doing inside. Oh.
Juliana, do you know you are indirectly asking me out of your father's house?
Gift, I don't know what you're talking about. You're the one saying this now. I only asked you to go. Let me finish up what I'm doing, please.
Before I go, do you know that it seems the prince is interested in you? Otoloch.
Hey, Gift, Biko, stop with this expensive joke.
This is not joke. It's not a joke. I'm serious. Because every time he sees me, he will ask of you. You are the first person that he always asks after.
Hold on. Are you serious?
I'm serious now.
And then Gift, you do me a favor, Biko.
Okay.
Whenever you are discussing with him or saying anything with him and he brings up my topic, do you know what you do for me?
What?
Close it. Close the topic, please. I'm very, very serious. I'm not joking. Please, close the topic.
Ogabiko Jesuike.
Ogabiko Jesuike. Like, if you think I'm you. Please let me close the gate when you leave. I don't know what you're talking about.
Everything I've done for the prince. By now, I'm supposed to have him in my palm. Hey, what's going on? Is there anything I'm not doing well? And what could that be?
Hey, here you are. I've gone everywhere in this village searching for you.
Why are you looking for me everywhere? Why?
What's the problem? Anyway, I'm looking for you because I want us to discuss something serious about ourselves.
You are an idiot. You are a fool. Discuss about who and who, you and who.
Chine, what's the problem? What is it? Anyway, I'm not here to make trouble with you. I have come for us to discuss something seriously about ourselves.
God punish you then, idiot. Listen and listen attentively. This should be the last time you have the heart, time and words to walk up to me until you can talk trash. I'm not one of these chewing gum girls you people go around to mess with. Please!
See, Chine, look. I am not one of those guys that go around looking for chewing gum girls. If you're a chewing gum girl, I won't be coming to look for you. Let's talk as mature people. You're acting up.
You are a fool. In fact, you are a big fool. What am I even doing here?
Wait, what has come over Chinaya? Because the Chinaya I know does not behave like this. Could it be the prince? Because the Chinaya I know does not behave like this. All of a sudden, since the prince stepped in, she just changed. She just changed. Oh, I understand. It is money. Because if it's not money, I don't see why Chinaya will be rejecting a fine guy like me for the prince. Because I'm fine and I have style. Anyway, the prince must have won me with money. But I know how to win him back. It has not ended though. It has not ended. No problem, we shall see. In this village, we shall see. No problem.
What did your father say?
Mom, seriously, I don't understand what that man was chatting. I don't get it.
What did he say exactly?
I mean, can you imagine the man was telling me that you should escort me to go see Juliana?
I know he will say that.
You always knew he was going to say that.
Yes, of course. He's my husband. And I know that he will say so.
Listen, okay. Your husband, the king, I don't like his approach at all. Why would he say that, you should escort me to go to Juliana's place to go see her parents? Why? A girl I've barely spoken to? A girl I barely know? Come on now. I mean, if we were to be, the ones who are my friends, Chinaya, Gift, and Mercy, okay, fine, but come on, why?
I've warned you to stay away from those girls before they plot and set you up and drag your name in the mud.
Stop this, please. I mean, those girls are just giving me company. That's it.
There are more decent girls. There are classy girls that can keep you company.
Wait, hold on. Classy in this village. wait, you and Dad dragged me all the way from Canada to come here to marry, and you're talking about classy in this village?
Okay, I mean decent.
Well, newsflash. My tour in this village so far has shown there is no decent girl in this village.
There is one. That is the more reason why your father and I want to take you to Juliana's house. Because she is the decent one. Good for you. Son, just let us go first.
Mercy. Yes, please come. What about your friend?
She's fine. So, how may I help you?
I want to ask you for a favor about your friend.
I thought both of you are close.
So I thought, though. We used to be close, but recently she's no longer giving me listening ears.
You have to try. Try again and again. Keep going.
I have been trying, but Naya is no longer giving me listening ear. There's nothing I have not done. I don't know.
It means you have not tried enough. So, keep going. Naija.
Is that what you have to say, Mercy?
Who knows? Maybe she will.
I felt you have one or two secrets you will tell me about Naya.
Secret?
Yes.
I don't have any secret though. The only secret I have for you is that you should keep trying. Ijiwayo. Enaga. Who knows? Maybe she will come around,
What's about it?
Please excuse me.
Alright.
My love for you is unbreakable. My love for you never fade away. It's you I want to have. No matter what they do, I'll never let you go. My
friend! Hey! Bag of fries! Hey!
Prince!
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Majesty, Prince, do you want to use food and kill us in this house?
You don't know where your daughter will be married.
Yeah. When you come to the palace, I'll do you well.
It's too much.
Your life will change.
Hey! Akapasemo! Her Majesty! To the palace, I will take care of you.
My love for you is unbreakable. My love for you never fade away. It's you I want, it's you I want to have. No matter what they do, I'll never let you go. Makaneme no man no, so kibu onyembu no
Actually, my daughter, you heard what the queen and the prince said. What do you have to say about that?
Papa, I'm surprised you're asking me that question.
My daughter, do not misunderstand your father.
Papa, I will misunderstand you this time around. Because I'm even surprised the way you people welcomed them. And then you sat there happily listening to what they were saying, collected everything they came with, knowing full well that I have someone I'm engaged to. So I don't understand your intentions.
Judy, it's a one way. You lie. Her Majesty and the Prince gave us reasons why they came with the gifts. And they said we should think about it and give them reply later. So can you hold the name here?
Okay. Papa, Mama, what are your thoughts?
Nothing. You stand where you stand. My daughter, you can't expect me to tell Her Majesty and the Prince to leave my house.
Simple. Papa, you people should try and make it known to them that their desire can never be granted in this house. That it is not possible. Besides, the prince has so many girls to choose from.
So, you should be happy that so many men are coming for your hand in marriage, including the prince of this land. Juliana, you are a ripe fruit. And every man will want to plug you.
Well, Mama, just give me time. Very soon, very, very soon, the right man will come and pluck. Pluck me, since I've turned to fruit that they now pluck. The right man will come, the one my heart accepts will come and pluck me, so everybody will rest. Becos, you people should better tell them to stop bringing things here, because anything you eat, you pay for it. I'm not marrying the prince. Hey.
Obim, are you okay? Obim, excuse me please, Obim, what is the problem? Can you talk to me? What's going on?
Maybe there's a big problem.
A big problem? What is it? Can you talk to me? What is the problem?
Her Majesty and the Prince paid an unexpected visit to our house. They came with gift items and they were asking about me.
Now, Mercy. Never. How are you? How are you?
You're fine.
Never. I'm on my way to the market to get one or two things. Okay.
Sorry, ma. We met Juliana down the road. We tried greeting her, but she ignored us. I hope all is well.
All is well. Oh, for now she's angry. You know, but she'll get over it. We thought so too. Hey, good friends. That is how good friends relate. Chinenye, na mercy. Good girls, continue being good. So let me be on my way now.
Okay, ma.
You know go?
Okay.
Oh yeah. My regards to your parents.
Okay.
Thank you.
Pepe. Kai. Baby, I don't like this thing. I don't like it. What is all this now? But I told you I'm not doing anything and I will never accept their request. I will never. I am meant for you and you only. We only had to accept their gift because there is no way we will tell them to live with their gift or turn them back or send them out of our house. You know their royalties now. Baby, I don't like this. You don't want me to be telling you things again. You need to get better. You need to get better, eh? I like Okwamodi. I don't like it, eh? I don't like it. Don't worry. Soon the drugs will start kicking in. You go. Kai. Is your chest still paining you? Baby, don't. I promise you. I do. Except you want me to take oath for you. I've already told you I am not going to ever accept anybody, no matter who even if it's the president's son. It's you I love. Eh? It's you I love, and I will never accept any other person. I only told you so you will know, so you don't hear it from any other person.
Julie, why are you like this? Oginime.
He's Okudiri.
What happened?
He's not feeling fine. He's very sick.
Here! That is why you are like this. So sick. And your face is like this. You'll be fine. Eh? You'll be fine. Or come away also.
Mama, I'm just feeling for him. He's seriously down.
Don't worry, he'll be okay. Oh, shouldn't be bothered. He'll be fine. You know, don't worry. Cheer up now. Ngwa, you just swallow my apple.
Mama, I'm tired.
Hey, Adama. Adam mother. Just swallow my apple. Oh, go and pound the fufu for me. Get up, get up, get up, get up.
Mama.
Get up. Oh, he's only sick. You were here like this. You go and pound it for me. Just swallow me.
I'm tired too.
Adobodo Ibo. Adobodo Ibo.
Continue to cut that.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you.
I appreciate you too. Really, it's nothing. And thank you for getting better.
I love you, baby.
I love you too. So, finish your food. You need food. Remember what the doctor said. You need to eat very well.
I'm trying.
Welcome.
Yes,
No,
yes, ma'am. Yes.
You still sitting there. Stand up and greet the prince, you know.
Mama, easy now. Good afternoon.
Welcome.
Yes. Hey. What about Mazio Nochi?
He went out to see his friends, but he will soon be back.
All right, nice.
Welcome.
Yes.
My prince,
Yes.
let's go inside.
No, it's okay.
Let's go inside.
No, I'm okay. I'd rather watch her, do these chores. Yes.
Julie, go and get him a seat. Gasike.
Mama can corner can.
Be fast. Hey, Gasike. Hey, my prince.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Hi. Welcome.
Oh, thank you.
Hey.
Wonderful daughter you have there.
It's God, it's God.
Yes. Well mannered, well trained.
It's God, my dear. It's God, my prince.
I know.
My prince.
Yes.
Please sit. Book it here now.
It's okay. All right.
Juliana, where are you going to now? My prince is here to see you. Chiatazu.
Mama, have you forgotten that Papa will come back soon? Let me go and make lunch.
Make again? Are you the one cooking offer for my husband again? When did that one start? Forget it, I'll make lunch for him. When did you start cooking offer for my husband? I'll do it myself, eh? No, don't mind that, she's just shy.
Okay.
Never. No, Dan. My prince.
It's all right. Take your time. Take your time. Wow. Julie.
Prince, this is too much now.
No, it's okay. It's all right. I mean, come on, that's mere cola. It's simple and mere tradition.
My prince.
Yes.
You must be our king.
No, of course. At the right time. My father is not dying anytime soon.
Where is this girl? Julie? Julie? This girl said, Julie? Papa. Please come. This girl said. Prince has been waiting for you.
My prince, you're welcome.
Prince is here to see you. And he wants to have a discussion with you.
It will not be possible, my prince. Someone came to tell me that my mother said I should bring money to her. The money she forgot at home to the market. She wants to use it and buy something, and she wants to do it now, so I have to go.
Oh, that's not a problem. Wherever you're going, I'll drop you. You're going to the market, I'll drop you off. Not a problem.
My prince, that would not be necessary, really, because I'm not going straight. I don't want to stress you. I will first of all stop by at the woman's place, the woman that came to give me the message, and then from there, one or two other people, just to collect something and deliver to them.
It's okay. Wherever you're going, I have time. Okay, I'll drop you off.
My prince, I'm sure you have other important things to do. You don't need to stress yourself.
And I'm telling you, I have time. No, I have time.
The thing is, I know all the Appian ways. I know how to. It's the market here now. It's not far.
Okay, not to worry. Whatever hole you're going out, trust me, I'll take you there. It is. Look, I have. Excuse me. Hey, Mom. Yeah. Oh, I'm at Mazi. Oh, no, cheese, please. Yes. Oh, I've been well treated, definitely. Yeah. She's right here in front of me. Yes. Okay. Oh, there? Oh, yeah, no, not to worry. I'll be there. Thank you. I'll be there. Oh, I have some visitors at the palace, Yes. Would you want to come?
No, I have to attend to my mother's needs.
I'll be back. But before then, yes, I would like you to, here. This is for you.
Ozokwa.
Yes, and this is for you. Use it to, take care of yourself. Buy whatever you want to buy.
This is so generous of you, my prince. Really, thank you so much. But I don't need it.
Go on.
My prince, let me have it. I don't have to give it to her.
Thank you, my prince. Let me go for the...
I will give it to her.
Ichi, you have to make your daughter understand she's grown up. She should stop this childish attitude.
My prince, I'm promising you, I'm giving you my assurance. She will let her be your wife.
I hear you.
My daughter, why are you afraid of Prince?
So, Papa, you two already know why I wanted to talk to you.
Yes, of course. I'm your father, I know.
Papa, look. Mama, I am no longer comfortable with the way the prince is showering us with gifts and money. I'm not comfortable.
Kangwaziagi, if you don't know. That is what you experience with rich people when they are desperate to pluck ripe fruit like you. Eh? To crown it all, he is a prince.
Julie, my daughter, if you're expecting us to tell Prince to back off, you are mistaken. Yes. Because I don't want anything that will make this family name to ring bell tomorrow. No, I don't want it.
Papa, you are avoiding the family name to ring bell tomorrow, yet you're collecting his gifts when you know full well that I am not interested. So tomorrow when he comes back and say, give me back everything I've given you, what will you do? Anybody that is collecting anything from the prince is doing it at their own detriment, because I am not interested. I've made it clear. I've been saying it from day one. No. Ha.
Really, that is where we are confused, though. We are confused.
Yes. We don't know what to do because they overpowered us.
Well, since you two don't know what to do, I know what to do. But when I do what I want to do, I'm sure the two of you will not like it. So if you know what is good, though, do what you have to do.
Yeah. Julie, don't do what is not reasonable. Oh.
Yeah, Mama, you two should do what is reasonable. Do what is reasonable.
Julie, my daughter, I'm going to do something about that. Yes, I will do something.
Thank you, Papa. Thank you, Mama.
Do something.
That was what I wanted to talk to you two about. Thank you.
What about right? She's very right.
Everybody want to follow the prince here. Everybody want to marry the prince here. See, I see this girl, so they disgrace their mama. Desperate chicks, they want marry the prince here. Jay, they no say the prince in Nabadoski. With his so much power, just like he in the Boski. Onya palopota no soka bakwa no nyazo. Okuba fa senses no one by one. They are desperate, village guys. They are desperate, village. They no get shame.
What did you say you wanted to discuss with me?
My prince.
Yes.
I don't mean to disrespect you or who you are.
Okay.
But we thought over it and we decided to ask you. Though Mercy couldn't make it because she traveled to the neighboring village with her mother.
Okay, so go on. I'm all ears.
My prince, we have come to realize that you have known what Juliana likes from us. And now you're going behind our back trying to influence her with those gifts.
And?
My prince, you're making this look as if we're some palm kernel you plucked, cooked, extract all the oil you need, and when you're done, you threw them away.
And?
My prince, apart from oil, there's other potential that can be extracted from the kernel.
Are both of you done? I've heard you. I'll get back to you after, probably big.
Everybody want to follow the prince, yeah. Everybody want to marry the prince, yeah. See, I see this girl, so they disgrace their mama. Desperate chicks, they want marry the prince, yeah. Jay, they no know say the prince in Nabadoski. With his so much power, just like he in the bosky. Onya balo puta no soka, bambwa no nyazo.
Don't mind the useless prince. Is it because we are calling you prince and we're even saying yes, my prince? Don't fire you.
They are desperate, desperate. She no get shame at all. Desperate, all of them are good digger. Desperate, they are desperate, desperate. Anya fadi chocolate.
Mom.
What is it?
Nothing, Mom. Nothing.
Nothing?
Yes, nothing.
Do I look like a baby to you?
Mom, please don't do this now. And don't even try to compare me with my younger ones in the UK. Don't do that.
So tell me, what is it? You can't just be sitting here and laughing by yourself.
Okay. This woman, why do you always do this? All right, I mean, these girls, they surprised me, you know?
Which girls?
I'm talking about the girls who keep me company, Chinaya, Gift, Mercy. You know, I actually thought I was playing on their intelligence to get some information from them, but little did I know that they were actually smart. But what really made me wonder is how they stood up to me to give it back to me and telling me what I was doing, you know, the effrontery, the entitlement, you know? It's all funny.
That's all?
Yeah.
Oh, God. I even thought that was something serious.
I know you don't miss me, right?
I miss
They
you. How
missed
did
you.
you go?
Fine, very fine. Hold on 1 minute. My bag.
The prince said I should give you extra money.
But he has paid me now.
He's just giving you this, okay? He appreciated your services.
All right. Hey! Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, yeah? Bye-bye. Greeting from you. Yes, please. Thank you. He gave me extra 5,000 though.
Did they not pay you when you finished?
They paid me. I have the money here. They paid me. Well, he said he called him on phone that he should give me extra 5,000.
He was not there when you finished barbing the king's hair.
No, he wasn't there. Are you suspecting something?
Maybe nothing. Nothing. They are just being generous. No, nothing at all.
It's fine. My baby girl. Let's go in. Huh? Are you sure?
He knows about this thing well, Chairman.
Stay one place.
Upon my 1,000 naira.
It's okay, relax.
Whom do I tell the prince that is looking for him?
Tell him it's Rufai.
Rufai?
A.K.A. Undertaker.
You say?
Tell him Rufai, A.K.A. Undertaker.
Okay, I'll let him know.
My son, as a father, I want to be frank with you. From the way I see it, it's like the table is turning round.
Papa,
Well,
I know the woman I'm involved with. I know the woman I'm dating.
I did not tell you that you don't know the woman you are dealing with or the one you are dating. But this constant visit of the prince to the family, that makes me to think maybe one day the family will change their mind for their daughter to marry the royal prince.
Papa.
Rowan.
You're my father.
Good.
You're older than me.
Much.
So I believe you should know more better about love.
I do.
I'm in love with Juliana. And nothing will come between us.
Okay.
Yes, not even the prince. Okay. I'm serious about it, yes. Only death can separate us.
You know I knew this prince before he left for Canada. He was a very rough human being. Maybe the Igbo people have changed his life, to be better now. And there's nothing he cannot do.
Are you now saying I should be scared of him?
No.
You know your son now, eh? Okay, I'm not a fear him. I am not afraid of him. I can die for love. I don't mind. I'm telling you the truth. I love Juliana. Nobody, nothing, nobody go come between. They're possible. I can die for my love. I don't mind. I love Juliana. And I will be with her till the end of time.
Okay. There's no problem. I'm only giving you a guideline.
Thank you, Papa. Thank you so much. I will tell her to be more careful.
Talk to her?
Yeah, talk to her.
Talk to her?
She should be more careful. But nothing they happen. Nothing.
Okay.
Nothing.
Oh!
Nothing. Ta. Nothing.
Yes, what is it? There's someone at the gate looking for you. He said his name is Rufai, aka the Undertaker.
What's he doing here?
Should I let you in?
Yeah. How did you find me here? I mean, how did you know I was back?
Arbab, even if you go abroad and come back, you are still my blood because you're a nice man. Hey, anyway, one of my boys spotted you as soon as he came into the village.
So you have a boy here too?
Arbab, I'm still the Undertaker. Find the Undertaker is me. Why would I have boys? I don't have boys. I control the gate too. Have you forgotten?
I know. Keep it down. I know. Keep it down.
Arbab.
I know. Relax. So how are the boys? Your boys' accidents, Bulas. How are they controlled?
Arbab, you remember Bula? Remember accident?
Of course.
Hey, Bula is dead. Accident is serving in the prison. Everything has gone in the ghetto. But anyway, we'll still forge ahead. We'll still have your back. Anyway, everything is in order.
Good.
Let me call them.
No. What do you want to do? Don't call anybody. No. Please. I'll give you something to give the boys, okay?
Hey,
that's it. Eh?
The boys will be happy if they see me return with some goodies.
Yeah, you will
from the praise.
You will return with goodies. Trust me.
I'm happy to see you.
I think I'm also happy to see you.
I'm still at your service anytime.
I know. Can you keep it down? Come on now. What's wrong with you?
I'm still the Undertaker.
I know you're the Undertaker, but keep it down. This is a palace. What's wrong with you?
It's fine.
Chill.
It's fine. Come on. Oloye.
Just keep it down. Let me get something for you. Just chill, okay?
Come on.
Just give yourself.
Oloye. This guy. Come, listen. Okay.
Juliana, Mama, what is wrong with you? Why will you do that? Are you a child? Is it because the prince is asking for your hand in marriage? That is why you do not know who he is. What, Juliana?
Mama, I will respect him for who he is. But what I will not take from him is intimidation and humiliation. What kind of nonsense is that now?
Juliana, is that why you did what you did? Forgetting that he is a prince. What will your friends say or do? What, Juliana?
So, Mama, I should use because of what my friends will say and accept what I don't want. Mama, I don't want him is I don't want him. How else do you want me to spell it out? I'm not interested.
Is that what you are saying, Juliana?
Mama, that is what I am saying. That is what I am saying. I can't be accepting gifts from someone I don't want in front of my friends. Tomorrow now, they will go out and tell everybody that the prince is feeding my family and I. Because that's exactly what they will say.
Okay, Fogi. Juliana. Okay, Fogi, Juliana. You think you are still a kid, okay?
What is it?
Ask your daughter.
What is it?
Papa, the prince came, sent someone to bring gifts to me. And I said I don't want it. I didn't want to accept it because tomorrow now they will say the prince is feeding my family and I. Now Mama is angry with me for not accepting it.